Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello everybody and welcome to our tutorial from zero to hero mastering Autodesk Inventor. We are in tutorial 2 swivel head bracket. In this session or video we'll create an exploded assembly of our assembled parts. In order to do so, we'll go to Inventor. Again, I remind, if you closed Inventor and started from the workspace by double-clicking the project file. To create an exploded assembly, you go to Presentation, and here it will ask for my assembly. Okay, so this is my assembly. It opens, and this is my assembly in order to create a presentation, or we need an exploded assembly. So as I explained in previous tutorial, in order to create an exploded assembly, you have to tweak components. We have two types of tweaking: mate or rotate. You click any part, you can move it, as you can see, and you can rotate it. You can move it along X, along Y, along Z, or rotate it around X, around Y, around Z. So we'll move it. I already explained, if you wanna create a video of this presentation, we need only, as I told you, and this is my part, it's enough here. This is the trail, as we call it. We don't need trail, so I'll click here, no trail. This is the duration on my timeline. So for me, it doesn't matter all of these because I need only the exploded view of this assembly. If you want to create a presentation, so you have to go deeper. I explained a little bit this in the previous tutorial. We are doing, we just deploy it, hit the arrow, green check, tweak again. We'll tweak these to get this one too. I'll take it a little bit up. Hit OK. As we can see, we have to take them a little bit out of here, so you can go to here to your scene, and here's my tweaks, and here's the distances. If I'll give this one 95, we'll go up a little bit. This one, just give it 66. No, 70. I get more than that, 85. So it's okay now. Okay, let us give this one 100 in order to be apart. 105. Okay. So you can change the distance of your tweak from the browser by opening the tweak folder. Save. We'll name it the same as the assembly, so we'll head bracket, hit save. We'll continue tweaking. Okay, so we'll take these, again tweak this one, let's take it a little bit up. Okay, okay, these have to be moved a little bit further. I'll give this one 120, and this one I'll give it 100, 105. It's okay. They are almost separated from each other. Now let's move our head. So tweak again. I'll move my head with these. Okay. You can select them by crossing window, and I have 4 parts. Let us see here. Then we have 4 parts. If I open my assembly, I can see my 4 parts. This is the swivel head, and I have these 2 nuts and washer. Now we can move them a little bit up, far from my shaft. Hit OK. Next, what we'll move, we'll tweak again, take it there in order to go out of the dialog box. Hit the crossing window and select the shaft with them. We missed the nut here. Keep clicking the shaft and hit the nut. And we are selecting all these together. Just move them a little bit up. Hit OK. Again, we select all these, tweak all these together. Now we'll take the bushing with them. So let's shift with the bushing, and I can have my bushing. Let us take it out. We took it out. Hit OK. Now down, we have to take these two a little bit further. Okay. We select this one, hit Control to deselect, and take it a little bit down. Go to Home, or to this view. Is this a home view? I don't know. I'll check. I'll set it as home. I can't now set it as home. Doesn't matter. Let us finish our tweak first. So this is my color. Here, let us check our home. Okay, so go to this arrow and set it as home. Fit to view. Click Save. Okay, again, this is my front view. Even we don't need, but set it doesn't matter. Set current view as front. Go back to home again. Save. The last part that we'll tweak is the pen. Then we go to tweak, go to pen. Here's my pen. I'll take it out from my color this way. I'll hit the green. Okay. So my parts are out. Save. Now I can create a screenshot. Okay, new snapshot view. This is view 1, and this is my assembly. Hit save, and we are ready to put it in our drawings. This way we create an exploded assembly of our parts. Thank you very much for joining. See you in next video. Keep tuned.